Okay, Nippy and Petey. Petey, the Senegalese parrot's riding on Nippy, the little Eskimo dog. Come on. How you like that, Nippy? Petey, how you like it? Hey, don't bite him. Don't bite him. Petey, don't bite Nippy. No, don't bite him. It's a good ride? Hey. Now starting to nip. He's starting to nip on Nippy. Good ride, huh? Okay, here. Let's go out here. Go outside. Petey, you like that? Is that fun? Is it fun to ride on a doggy? Maybe he doesn't know quite what to make of it. Come here, Nippy. Come here, bud. Come here. Nippy. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Come on outside. Come on. There you go. Much better lighting. Stay out here. Come on. Stay out here. Nippy. Nips. Come on, buddy. Come on. You're doing good. You're giving him a ride. You're giving the birdie a ride. Yeah, it's like a little pony ride, huh? Come here. Come here. Good, Nippy. Good boy. Go over there. Yeah, go over there. There we go. There we go. Petey. Well, I guess that's all the tricks for now. Come here. Let's get Petey up. Let's get Petey up. Petey, you done riding? You done riding? Come here. Let's get Petey off. Come here, Petey. Okay, Nippy, Nippy. He keeps walking now. Come here, Nip. Jiminy crickets. Come on. That's right. Okay. Good work. Here. Stay there. Stay. Okay, here. Nippy. Nippy. Just stay still. Stay still. Good boy. Yeah. Okay. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Be a good bird. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. That hurts. Why you bite me? Oh, you're scared of the camera. I see. You didn't like the camera. Okay. You didn't like the camera, so you were biting me on the thumb. I get it. I get it. Okay. Camera, no. You got anything else you want to say here? Huh? Anything else? Well, I know you're gonna try to attack this if it gets close to you, huh? There you go. The bird doesn't like the camera. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. He says, I'm going back in my cage. That's that. Enough of that.